Hey guys, so everything I purchased for this tutorial will be in the description box. I bought everything from Michael's, so I bought this 18-inch round wood pine, some wood letters, some paint, acrylic paint, as well as some wood glue. And of course, you're also going to need some painting materials as well. So I'm starting off by putting a garbage bag down on my work surface just so I don't get any paint on my table. And then I'm just taking my acrylic paint and I'm going to pour this directly on the wood. I'm using this light purple color just because that's the color of my business and kind of my theme and everything. But you can go ahead, you can use whatever color you want. You could even keep the natural wood if you want. But I'm just taking a foam brush and I'm just painting this whole piece of wood purple. And now once that's finished, I'm going to grab my wood letters and I'm just going to start selecting what I want for my logo. I'm just doing something simple where I just put hooked and hemmed. And then I'm going to take those letters and I'm going to paint them white. Again, you can use whatever color you like. I just like the white on the purple. That's kind of my whole aesthetic. And make sure you paint the sides of the letters as well if you don't want any of the wood showing through. You don't have to worry about painting the bottom because we're going to be gluing them down on the sign. And I did find with this paint that I did need a second coat, so after the letters dried, I did go ahead and paint a second coat over the top of them just so they're more opaque. But you're going to let those dry, and while that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and also add a second coat to my wood round. So I'm just pouring that paint on there again and going back in with my foam brush to make a second coat just so the paint's a little bit more even. Now I'm going to go ahead and just take my wood letters and I'm going to kind of set them out where I want them to go on the sign, just so that they're centered and I have enough space for everything before I glue them down, just to kind of get a visual of how I want it to look. And I'm just trying to make sure that all the letters are evenly spaced on the sign and look good. So now once all the letters are how you like it, we're going to go ahead and grab our Gorilla wood glue. And I'm just going to go ahead and trace the back of every letter with a small amount of glue and glue them down onto the board. Don't over squeeze because you don't want a lot of extra spillage. It does dry clear, so you don't have to worry too much about that, but just so it's a little bit neater. And then I'm just going to carefully place it onto my sign and press it down. And I'm just going to repeat the same process with every letter until I have all my letters glued onto the board. So now once you have all your letters glued down, you're going to want to get something heavy. I just have a bunch of books, so I'm placing those on top of my letters carefully. And I'm just going to let these sit for a few hours just to let the glue dry and make sure everything's nice and secure. But after a few hours, when the glue's dried, you are all finished with your sign. So this is what mine looks like. I think it's super cute to display on my tables at craft shows, just so people can like really see my name and everything. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Now enjoy the last few minutes of this video where my cats are just being cats and walking in my frame as cats do. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Vader and Miles, the kitty cats, will love it if you subscribe and like this video. Thanks, bye!